So, dear students and Dr. Bipin and any other faculty colleagues are here. I challenge on the behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering as well as on a personal behalf. I welcome you all in this orientation class. Though it is a very good initiative, it is not properly organized, but even though I welcome all the 2021 batch students to the Mechanical Engineering Department, and I have confidence that you will enjoy your stay at NITGM Setur. I don't know when we will meet physically, but we will hope that we are going to meet very soon in future. As far as Department of Mechanical Engineering concerned, it is one of the oldest department of the institute. In fact, it was launched in 1960 when the institute came into existence. At present, the Department of Mechanical Engineering has 22 faculty assistants. All are PhD, and out of these 22, 6 are professors, 6 are associate professors, and 10 are assistant professors. All have their degree from a very reputed organization. Many of them, assistant professors, have done their postdoc from the abroad, and they are with us today. I'm in the department, and I am sure you all will be benefited with the maximum extent. Besides UG program in mechanical engineering, we are also running 3 master programs. Out of the 3, one was started in 1990, Computer Integrated Design and Manufacturing. And then we have 2 more master programs which was started in 2015. Second one is Energy Systems Engineering. Third one is Thermal Engineering. We have PhD program from inception itself from all the possible area of specialization. Besides these regular courses, department is also running certificate courses for practicing engineers. Earlier it was for the telco personnel. Then it was for the open in a small scale industries. Then it was for the Tata Steel, technical persons from the Tata Steel. We have the diploma courses for them. And besides that, frequently we are organizing short-term courses on different specialized areas under the aegis of Gyan course, Atal course, and then social corporate responsibility. Every week, almost every week, we are organizing some sort of course on the different specialized topic. Yesterday it was on functionally graded material. Earlier, before that, Karsala was on the nanofluids. Then we have some other, every week we are organizing some short-term courses. The department has taken always proactive role in the development of the institute, like opening of new UG and P has with the effort of the department, we could able to open other departments like MCA was opened by us, then but today production and industrial engineering. Initially it was started by the Department of Mechanical Engineering itself. If we try to look our performance on the publication side, then mostly our publications are normally, one is in the SCI, another one is Scopus, and then the book chapters are there. So faculty members are continuously writing their publication. In 1819, SCI publication was 15. In 1920, it was 36. 2021, it was 28 in the SCI publication, SCI journal. And when we talk about Scopus, it was 32 in 1819, 22 in 1920, and 30 in 2021. And 21-22 is going on. As far as book chapters are concerned, it is 9. It was 9 in 1819, same 9 in 1920, and right in 2021 is 6. So with the Department of, your Mechanical in Society, the purpose or objective, very objective of the society is to provide you different type of case studies through video lecture, expert lecture, design competition, some funny matches, some other type of quizzes or like that. Besides that, the two regular activity of MES is one is the orientation class, but today we are witnessing, and another is farewell to the final year students. Recently, we have procured many new equipment as far as department has laboratories are concerned. Department has 11 laboratories. Out of them, perhaps 8 or 9 you will visit. Some others are for the research purposes and master program. The name of the laboratories are Engineering Mechanics Laboratory, which it will in first year perhaps right now mechanics is for mechanical production and metallurgy. Mechanics is there, so you will visit this laboratory if time permits. Otherwise, it may be online mode only. Then we have solid mechanics laboratory. It in third semester. Then we have engineering graphics and CAD laboratory for as far as graphics concerned. First graphics, last first semester, second semester also you have between in the graphics AutoCAD we have discussed, and then again in fourth semester and seventh semester you have this laboratory. Then we have com and kinematics of masonry and dynamics of masonry laboratory with vibration. Metrology and robotics laboratory, we have thermodynamics and model laboratory, heat and mass transfer laboratory, applied thermodynamics laboratory, fluid mechanics and fluid machinery lab, refrigeration and air conditioning, and then we have renewable energy laboratory. Altogether, 11 laboratories are there. Depending upon you may visit in all the department, all the laboratory you may see the infrastructure available with us. Um, Today we are doing some consultancy also for the other organizations. But I wish to convey you all that yourself should be honest to yourself. We all know, or we all, our objective, everybody wants to be successful. It is true. And definition of success is not well defined. It is success is different for different type of people. But for you, mandate for you is you have to in your professional life you have to develop a system which can serve the society in a better way, or which can serve the nation in a better way. You may create some system by which people will utilize it. Technology can be transferred to the grassroots level. This is your mandate. And to have that, you have to be professionally capable. There is a proverb that if you don't know, or is a person who doesn't know himself is lost. It is mean it. A person who do not know himself is assumed to be lost. And many of us do not know ourselves. So my objective to you, my advice to you, you be honest with yourself at least. Forget about your parents and friends and institute and nation. You be honest about yourself. Everybody has some dream in his mind. You all have some dream in your mind. And your all effort will be to make your dream in reality. True. It will be converted in reality only when you have set some target or goal for the life, and you should evaluate your target and goal very frequently, if possible daily. At least you should have 5 minutes time for yourself before going to bed. For 5 minutes, you count the activities performed by you on that particular day, whether these activities are on the right path, then fine enough. Otherwise, the next day only correction steps must be taken. I'm sure many of you have not dreamed to become the institute. I mean, student of NIT Jamshedpur having mechanical branch. Many of you might have some of you dream is some different, and you didn't get the dream. What is the reason? The reason was you have not evaluated yourself honestly. You have not re-evaluated or not re-fixed your target as per the requirement. See, as far as our see, I always believe that there are few words which always matters in our life. And being professional, I should be. I always maintain that. Let's say for the communication, with the most communication, the most common word in our life is communication. How we are communicating. A system cannot be conceived in the absence of communication. Whether you are sleeping, whether you are eating, or whether you are studying. All the 24 hours, 7 days, we communicate, or I should say, all the 365 days into 24, we communicate. But many a times, unintentionally, we communicate something which is not desirable. Even in your placement interview, many of us communicate unknowingly which is not desirable. And these things are possible only when you are revisiting, redefining your target. You tell me, mine very frankly, if you are in your a company of your bosom friends, many of us do not complete the sentence without using a word "abe." Abe kahan ja raha hai? And this word we calculated such a deep level that even where we do not want we use this sentence, we cannot complete our sentence without this origin word. So, and second word which is very important for our life is attitude. Very is a very it is very I mean that's just an example about attitude I'm telling you. In a pond, you just drop a piece of stone. Many of you will tell what will happen if I put a stone in the pond. Nothing will happen. Many of us will tell nothing will happen. But yes, it happens. You just so you put a stone in the pond or a river, you will find with the pressure or movement or moment, whatever you can say about that, or with the weight of that stone, a ring will form, and this ring will go longer and bigger and bigger and bigger, and it will be circulated all around the surface of the. In comparison of the volume of the water, stone is very small, but even though it has the effect, so your attitude should be all issue you belong to as far as we is concerned a mechanic I mean engineers belongs to the population of 0.001% of the population, and your behavior should be always like that. From your behavior only one can say that yes it is a professional, it's a special class, these are the people of a special class. And so as far as communication is concerned, I request you all, you always communicate to your faculty members. All everyone is ready to help you all the 24 hours and 7 days. You always communicate to your faculty. You can discuss with your problem whether it is academic or non-academic. As far as academic is concerned, anytime you can call your faculty, you can teacher, and they will help you. They will guide you. I am also promising right now in front of all of you that all the times I am always ready to help you in any situation or for any cause. It may be non-academic, it may be your family, it may be your whatever it is. Being a faculty of the institute, since you are a student of the institute, I am faculty of this institute. Being a faculty of the institute, it is my moral duty to help you all the for all the activities. As far as academic concerned, right now I'm head. Tomorrow somebody else will be there. So even all of you should inform me what are the type of activities are going on in the department, what type of improvement you want, whether your classes are running or not. If the classes are not running, then what's the problem? You should discuss with me. You should at least inform me so that I can do something for that one. So with this small advice, simple advice, you be honest with yourself. If you are not honest to yourself, I don't know what will happen. So thank you very much. And I wish you should be one of the most successful person of the earth. And I will one day I will feel proud that Mr. Sannyasi Raja is my student, and I will be called by someone that yes, he is the faculty of, he was the teacher of Sannyasi Raja or Rahul Prakash, Raj Sharma, Rajat Raj. So many of you are there. I will expect that you will make me proud someday. Thank you. Thank you very much. Pradeep, now you can start your proceeding. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for motivating us with your kind words. Now, I would like to call our mechanical engineering faculty advisor, Professor Bipin, sir, to address our juniors.
Okay, very good afternoon to all of you. I, Dr. Bipin Kumar, Assistant Professor Mechanical Engineering Department and Professor in charge of Mechanical Engineering Society, would like to extend a very warm welcome to our HOD, Mechanical Engineering Department, Professor Salen sir, the faculty members, those who are available here, and dear students in this orientation program for BTech 2021 batch. First of all, I congratulate all the students who secured a seat in this institution, NIT, which is NIT Jamshedpur. This is the first step towards fulfillment of your dream, and for the 4 years that you are here, we hope that you can gather the best of knowledge and experience from faculty member and your seniors as told by our HOD previously. And I'm also thankful to all the Mechanical Engineering Society members for organizing the orientation program for BTech first year Mechanical 2021 batch. So with these words, with these words, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now, moving on to our presentation, what is mechanical engineering? So, mechanical engineering is the art of using solving techniques and applying them to the design of an object. It plays critical role in manufacturing technologies from cars to airplanes to refrigerators. It is one of the most important subdivisions of engineering because without it, many of the technologies we use every day won't be available. So juniors, take pride in your branch as you are going to be future mechanical engineers who could change the world. Next slide, Manan. Now, what is Mechanical Engineering Society? Mechanical Engineering Society is one of the oldest society of our college, which was framed to promote practical skill development for the growth of the students of the department. It organizes various technical and professional events for the growth of the student, nurturing leadership skills in them. Next slide. The tagline of our society is to develop, deliver, delight. The vision being to emerge as the noetic and constructive platform for encouraging and promoting practical thinking and techno management skills to create global leaders out of individuals. The mission of our society is to work towards imparting value-based atmosphere for the professional development of budding technocrats by organizing various events taking into account the rapid technological advancement. The objective of our society is to organize various events and orientation programs for the students to develop practical thinking. Next slide. So, the HOD of our department is Professor Shalendra sir and Dr. Vipin sir is the faculty in charge of our society and the rest are MES members. Next slide. Now, Pragyan is the annual report or annual magazine of the Mechanical Engineering Society. Here you will find details about the placement stats, the various achievements of the students of our branch, articles on technological advancements of mechanical engineering around the world, and a lot more. It also contains fun and art sections where we can share our creations. We'll soon be launching the next edition of Pragyan. Next slide. Now, moving on to the next part of the presentation, I would like to call Manan, Shravya, and Nitish, who will tell you about the various events our society organizes.
Thank you, Deepu. So, good evening, everyone. This is Shravya from second year Mechanical Engineering. So, for starters, Mechanical Engineering Society keeps on organizing events, lectures, leagues, fest year long. I'll be briefing about a few of them. So, our first event, Teachers' Day. I think as students, one of the most important part of our college life is professors, that is our teachers. So MES recognizes and appreciates their efforts. So we organized a Teachers' Day event on 5th September in commemoration of the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Although it was online, we organized a Teachers' Day event in 2021 too, in which there was a good participation from students and we got to get great insights from our professors. So next slide, Manu. Next, we have the Cricket League. What better way for recreation and interaction than cricket, right? So, we organize a week long cricket league for first, second, third, and final years. The main aim of this league is to bring a sense of unity and camaraderie among all the students from mechanical department. Next slide. So, Labyrinth. This is a fun and entertaining event for students. This includes a set of puzzles, codes, riddles you have to crack. Just like the name suggests, you'll be going through complex, fun rounds and reach to the final treasure. This is basically like a treasure hunt, and in the end, you'll be rewarded with wonderful prizes and goodies. So, that's it from my part. Thank you.
Thank you, Shravya. Good evening, everyone. I'm Nitish from second year Mechanical Engineering Department. Now, continuing with next event in list, Mechanical Engineering Society organizes industrial visit for Mechanical Engineering Department, which is one of the most popular event. Through this event, MES aims to provide a real-time industrial exposure to its branch students. This event not only helps the budding engineer to enhance their practical knowledge, but also help them to develop overview of the activities and machine used by these technical companies in manufacturing. For these industrial visit, MES collaborate with many companies like Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Auto Clusters, etc. Next slide, Manan. Now coming to Descripto, which is the first event for you all freshers conducted by Mechanical Engineering Society. As the name suggests, it is a fun online event exclusively for freshers. These events aim to develop insights in mechanical trade among the freshers and improve their understanding in this discipline. The event is to motivate the students to pen their thought about the branch and describe it into few lines. The event focuses on developing a better understanding of branch and nurturing the inner writer within the students. and it will be organized very soon for you all. Follow the MES social handles for update. We will soon release the info there. And last year 2K20 batch winner was Ritu Kumari, and this is her quote. Next slide, man. Now, keeping in mind the increasing number of non-core profile firms such as the IT companies, MES organizes Vishleshan. This event aims to provide the students with very useful insights about the recruitment procedure and related preparation strategies as well. For the companies that visit the campus so that the students can get past the internship drive with flying colors. Thank you. Now next, Manan will continue from here.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Manan from second year Mechanical Engineering Department. So I'll talk about Placement Express. So Placement Express is a good organization with the primary motive of the most of the graduating engineers. So as you know, the primary target in our college is placement, as we are most major target of most of the students is placement. So Mechanical Engineering Society organizes an event college Placement Express, where most of our seniors give their useful insights about how to prepare for placements and internships, and how from their experience we can learn a lot of things that can help us in the future. So moving on, we have just a minute. So next we have Cognitio. Cognitio is a branch fest of Mechanical Engineering Society, which was started in 2017. Cognitio is looking forward to beginning of an era of innovation and ingenuity. It comprises of series of events with the perspective of fulfilling the desire of the students for exposure to the practical aspect of engineering. So Cognitio, a lot of events are conducted under Cognitio. You can see there are a lot. The list is pretty long, and the winner of these collective winner of this event is called this the Techie of the Year.
Manan.
Yes, sir.
One correction is there. Though Cognitio was started in 17, but there Tectrist, our earlier name was Tectrist. It was started in 2003. And then
Okay,
after when we started our earlier we had, I mean, very few department, only two department was organizing such activities. Our was Tectis, and then we started for whole institute in the name of Pravah, and then it is finally it Ojas is converted to Pravah is converted to Ojas, and that time we asked that. Mechanical department is one of the active department. If you organize this your function separately, then other department will not get the chance, and so we stop our tech test for few years. Then again, we were started in 2017 as a Cognitio.
Okay, sir.
So
So
for the
as you
sake
can
of for
see,
the activity for the sake of others, we have stopped. We had stopped our first tech test program, but even though others department couldn't get more popularity in the department. So finally, we has again come back to our separate function as Cognitio. Okay, go ahead.
thank you, sir. So as you can see, mechanical engineering department is one of the best departments of our college, and we have been doing things from a long period of time, from way back. So next we have, so this is all about Cognitio. So moving on to the Institute Fest, we have three main Institute Fest in our college. We have URJA, the annual sports and athletic meet. Then we have OJIS, the annual Techno Management Fest. Then we have Culfest, that is the annual cultural fest. So here we have a video for you to give you a glimpse about all the events that take place in our that are conducted by the Mechanical Engineering Society. So please have a view.
Manan, audio isn't coming, I guess.
Is audio audible?
Yes, yes, perfect.
With all my heart, but I'll find love the same sort and fall apart. Maybe we can be something new. Are you ready for us? 'Cause I'm ready for you. Are you ready for us? We can be something new. Are you ready for us? 'Cause I'm ready for you. Are you ready for us to be something new? We'll follow where the wind blows and see the heights. Lake rocks to let go, taking the sights. Maybe we can be something new. Are you ready for us? 'Cause I'm ready for you. Are you ready for us? We can be something new. Are you ready for us? 'Cause I'm ready for you. Are you ready for us to be something new? All honesty, we're slipping off slowly, so hold on to me. All honesty, we're slipping off slowly, so hold on to me. We can be some. Are you ready for us? 'Cause I'm ready for you. Are you ready for us? We can be something new. Are you ready for us? Oh, 'cause I'm ready for you, ready for you. Are you ready for us? We can be something new. Are you ready for us? Are you ready for us? We can be something new. Are you ready, ready, ready? Are you ready? We can be something new. Look out of the window.
Now, moving on, we have 6 technical teams in our college, namely Phoenix, Drift Racing Team, Team Daksh, Revanta, Eco Riders, and Team Race. We have representatives from each team to give you a gist about what they do. It should be noted here that there is going to be separate orientation sessions for all these teams in which everything will be explained in detail. So starting with Phoenix, I would like to invite Amisha to brief us about the team.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Amisha, and I'm going to brief you all about Team Phoenix. Next slide. Team Phoenix is the official aero designing and aero modeling club of NIT Jamshedpur. It was established in 2011 by two electrical engineering alumni of the institute. It designs and fabricates RC aircrafts, unmanned aerial vehicles, and participates in various aero designing competitions in India and abroad, namely SAE International, which takes place in the US, and SAE India. Next. Now, Team Phoenix vision. Team Phoenix aims at promoting awareness regarding the aviation sector and develop real-time solutions to ongoing issues in this field in the country. The team members share their engineering instincts to study various parameters that affect performance and generate a practical layout which can be executed effectively. Next. Here are some of the laurels that Team Phoenix has brought to the institute and the country. This year, it was held virtually due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In SAE International, India Team Phoenix was ranked 5th in regular class and it stood 8th globally. In 2020, the team achieved 7th rank in design report and secured an 11th position overall. In SAE India, it was awarded the Best Innovation Award and it was placed 4th in design report and finished 6th overall. In SAE International 2019, Phoenix was ranked 9th globally and it also bagged the first position in design report. In 2018 SAE International, it was ranked 7th overall and secured the third position in design report. It was the second best Indian team overall. In 2017, in SAE International, the team was placed at 5th position globally and it bagged third position in Asia Pacific region. Next. Now here are some of the pictures when Team Phoenix participated in the past years. Thank you.
Thanks, Amisha. Now I would like to call Adarsh, who will brief you about Team Daksh.
Thanks, Deepu, for this opportunity. A very warm welcome to our respected professors, seniors, my batchmates, and all of our junior. Here I am representing one of the best technical team of our college, Team Dutch. The team was founded in 2009 by a group of first and second years with the objective to design and fabricate a rugged single-seated vehicle with off-road capabilities. Then it has been the bearer of the Institute's pride and prestige at national as well as international stage. Till date, Team Ducks participated in 7 nationals and 1 international event.
Your voice is very low.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is very low. Speak little loudly or you check your set.
Thanks, Deepu, for this opportunity. A very warm welcome to our respected professors, senior sirs, my batchmates, and all of our junior. Here I am representing one of the best technical teams of our college, Team Dutch. The team was founded in 2009 by a group of first and second year with the objective to design and fabricate a rugged single-seated vehicle with off-road capabilities. Since then, it has been the bearer of the Institute pride and prestige at national as well as international stages. Till date, the team Dutch participated in 7 nationals and 1 international events. Next, please, Deepu. Achievements. As so far, we have performed very well in Baha events. In Baha SE India 2010, we achieved Best Engineering Designing Award. In Baha SE South Africa 2010, same year, we achieved Safest Vehicle Award. In Baha SE 2000, in Baha SE India 2011, we achieved Go Green Award. In Baha Student India 2015, we achieved second position in sales. In Baha SE Student India 2016, we achieved fifth position in designing events. In Baha SE India 2016, we achieved third endurance race. Thanks.
Thank you, Adarsh. Next, we have Drift Racing Team, for which I would like to call Jyoti.
Thank you, Deepu. Good evening, everyone. Myself Jyoti from second year mechanical department on behalf of Drift Racing Team. Team Drift is the official student formula team of NIT Jamshedpur, which was established in the year 2009, a student-led initiative in the institute to design, manufacture, and race a formula-style F3 electric car in various Formula ISIE events. Our team is always striving to embed innovations and new technologies in our car. Here, we design, manufacture, and test run our car until we are fully prepared to hit the track. We, with a highly organized team structure, work tirelessly to convert our dream into reality. Now, coming towards its current goals, our current goal is to participate in the event of ISIE Formula Bharat in HVC and electric vehicle category, so that we can enhance the automation and modify the pre-existing model of our racing car. Next slide. Yeah, here we have some of our achievements that we have achieved in the past few years. In the year 2009, in Formula SAE India, we won for the best design and ranked third in the overall category. In the next year, we participated in Formula SAE Australia and bagged the first prize in the cost event. In 2015, in Formula SAE India, we got the sixth position in presentation and lightest car event. Also, in 2018, we ranked second among all IITs and NITs in the overall category. For the past 2 years, we have participated in the virtual events of Formula SAE India. Thank you. This was all about Team Drift.
Thanks, Jyoti. Next, I would like to call Prachi to brief us about Team Revanta.
Good afternoon to one and all present over here. I am Prachi Das from second year Mechanical Engineering Department. We have made a presentation that provide games of what our team Revanta actually do. So here we go. Next slide. With a humble beginning in 2009, we are a bunch of believers very confident to make India emerge as a world leaders in the electric auto industry. The team Revanta is an official solar vehicle student team of NIT Jamshedpur, established in the 2009. We design and manufacture flagship solar electric car which has won various awards and accolades from around the world. Our main goal is to urge and to pursue the theoretical knowledge in building a high efficiency mileage marble. We aim to make a hybrid solar electric vehicle with minimal carbon footprint in compliance. Through our motto, Go Green, we convey the masses that we just don't want to save the environment, but we want to build an environment that doesn't require saving. Next slide. The team has actually worked hard and had brought laurels to the institute. In 2011 and 12, our team went Malaysia to represent our college, and we successfully built a single passenger vehicle and qualified for final rounds. Also, we ranked second amongst all the Indian teams. The IASC, that is Indo-Asian Solar Championship, the event was hosted by RISCLPU. There, we secured first place in virtuals. In 2016, out of the 195 teams that participated from the world, we were ranked 14th. In 2018, this team, the event was held in Satna, MP. We were awarded for Best Acceleration Braking and Business Plan and runner-up in the Endurance and Crossback. The ESVC, that is Electric Solar Vehicle Championship in 2013 and 14, ESVC was hosted at Jalandhar, Punjab. We came out as fourth best virtual round and ranked ninth. In 2017, we stood apart from the 85 participating team at Bhivanavaram, AP. We brought home the Go Green Award, Lightweight Award, and Endurance Award. So that's it for my part. Thank you.
Thanks, Prachi. Next, I would like to call Priyanshu Raj to give us a brief about Team Eco Riders.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Priyanshu Raj from Team Eco Riders, here to deliver intro about our team. Hello.
Yes,
Team Eco
Priyanshu,
Riders
continue.
is the official technical team of NIT Jamshedpur, which designs, manufactures, and fabricates an eco-friendly and ergonomic human-powered vehicle. It was founded by Dr. D.V.S. Sudama, and current in charge is Dr. M.K. Paswan. Our objective is to develop an economic, ergonomic, and environmental friendly alternative to automobiles aimed to reduce the consumption of fossil fuels. Next slide. Now I will talk about our field of participation. We extensively participate in ASME, that is American Society of Mechanical Engineers, IFES. There are many competitions organized there, but we mainly participate in two categories. First is SPVC, that is human powered vehicle competition, where we compete to make the best performing, most economical vehicles and also learn and use many new innovations through this competition. So our main aim and our main purpose is to design vehicles. Basically, it is bike or trikes. And second is IM 3D, which full stands for Innovative Additive Manufacturing 3D Competition, where we compete to make highly functionable, more durable, and innovative designs of drones. So now moving into our achievements. So in ASME HPVC 2018, our design was positioned second among all trikes. That year we designed our trikes, and in 2019 HPVC competition for safety our model was prized for the first position. And in HPVC 2020 ASME our design was considered safety for first position again, and for design it was placed for third position, and our overall ranking was 15th position. In ASME HPVC 2021, which was held online due to pandemic, Team Eco Riders secured third position across India and 10th position globally in CDR competition. So that's it for Team Eco Riders, and we hope to see your active participation in Team Eco Riders orientation and inductions. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanshu. Now I would like to call Avantika, who will brief us about Team Raise.
Thank you, Deepu. This is Avantika, and I'm here to represent Team RAISE. Team RAISE is a recognized student faculty innovative grant scheme project at NIT Jamshedpur, which was initiated in the year 2014 by two of our alumni, which is Sanket Raj sir and Ambar Katyayan sir. The team aims at developing a highly efficient solar electric vehicle SEV to provide a breakthrough in the application of solar technology to the transportation sector. Our prime goal is the development of an energy efficient passenger SEV suitable for the Indian roads. The team takes part in the Electric Solar Vehicle Championship, which is the ESVC. It's Asia's largest competition for the solar electric vehicles. We have many teams working within Team RAISE, which is the mechanical, electrical, electronics team, along with the app and web development and designing teams. Next slide. Okay, here are our goals for Team RAISE, which is to facilitate continuous innovation and development in all fields related to solar vehicle through competitions, to promote the alternative form of energy and provide the members of the team with incomparable experience in business management and engineering, to inspire motivation, to inspire innovation, increase responsiveness, and ultimately confer competitive edge and create leadership, and a mission to go green. Next slide. Here are our achievements. We have started participating in the events from 2015, in which we secured the fourth place among 132 team members and won the Innovation Award at IASC, which is the Indo-Asian Solar Championship. Next year in 2016, we were hailed as the overall champions, and in 2017 again we were the overall champion. In 2018, we secured the seventh rank and won the Lightest Vehicle Car Award and the Future Award. In 2019, we secured the eighth rank among the 64 teams at ESVC. And in 2021, the event was held online and the results are still awaited. So, everyone, stay tuned for the induction processes. And that's all from my side.
Thanks, Avantika. This was all about the technical teams of our college. Thanks to all the representatives for briefing our juniors about the respective teams. Now, before moving on to the next part of our presentation, I would like to invite Dulari Hansda ma'am to share her thoughts with us.
Good afternoon. Respected HOD sir, Salendra sir, and my colleague. and my dear students. So, firstly, I would like to heartily welcome you all to the MA Society, and being your faculty advisor, I will try to guide and help you whenever is required. So you can get many helps regarding if anyone is interested in research also, you can get help from our faculties members also. So and always as sir told that you should be loyal. That's what I want to tell you also. You always be loyal to whatever you are doing. And also you can gather knowledge because it is your learning and acquiring knowledge time. And here in our mess as students and your seniors have told about the many activities uh, which are being conducted in our MA societies. There also you can involve yourself, and you can like this way you can gather many more knowledge, including your study. Okay, that's why I want to tell you all, and thank you all for giving me the opportunity to give my views. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Now, apart from technical teams, we also have lots of clubs and societies in our college where you can pursue your hobbies of singing, dancing, acting, etc. Again, there will be separate orientation sessions for each of these clubs and societies. But for now, I would like to call Manan, who will briefly introduce them to you.
So we have Ahvan, the Cultural and the Dramatic Society. We have Focus, Photography and Filmmaking Society. Then we have Faces, Fine Arts Club for engineering students. We have Sankal, whose main aim is to provide quality education to everyone. Then we have NSS, National Service Scheme, a government-based NGO which focuses on the betterment of society. Then we have Unite, the quizzing team of a college, Beat Breakers, the dance club, then Rue, the music club, and finally we have LDS, the literary and debating society.
Apart from these, we also have some newer clubs like the E-Cell, the Industry and Alumni Relations, Analytics Club, etc. We also have sports team for all the sports enthusiasts out there. Next slide. So everyone from mechanical engineering branch is a MES member, but around 5 people are inducted in the society as the office bearers. Now coming to the induction procedure for MES, it will consist of 2 rounds. First will be a CV shortlisting round, and then we'll have group discussion, and details including the date of the induction process will be conveyed to you later. Now, I would like to invite the President of Mechanical Engineering Society, Nihitraj sir, to give vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you, Deepu. Hope you all got a better idea of what mechanical department and MES is all about. And yes, first of all, I'd like to welcome you all at the college and in the mechanical department. So, talking about MES, the Mechanical Engineering Society has tons of opportunities for your growth and development. There's this one thing that I've said before, and I'm saying the same to you, that MES has widest of genre among all the other clubs and teams. And you will be putting to test everything that you have learned in your school life, your academic life, or till your JE career, be it technical, managerial, creative, and design skills to test. Although you might have missed the actual or of certain events due to the pandemic, but yes, we can hope for things to get better, and we'll have an in-person meet at the college. And if you were to ask me about MES, ever since I joined MES, I've learned a lot about actual responsibilities, teamwork, sincerity, and in particular, like various parts of my own personality that were unknown. I still owe a lot to the amazing people of MES. So that is it. And I'd request you to engage and explore as much as you can. And one thing again in particular, that you stay active in these 4 years of your college, and I promise that you'll learn a lot. So all the best for everything. And in case of any doubt, help, or query related to anything, you can directly contact me or any other members of MES. So thank you, and see you all at the inductions.
So this brings us to the end of the orientation program. Thank you all for joining. Also, one thing like we'll also have a Q&A session, short Q&A session, so you can ask your doubts. Before that, I would like to thank our professors for taking time out of their busy schedule and joining, sharing their words of wisdom with us. So thank you, professors. And yeah,
I can sign off.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for joining, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
So if you have any doubt, you can put it down in the chat section, or you can unmute yourself and ask. Please share the PDF in the official group. Okay, we'll do that. When will the induction for MES start? We'll share details about it in detail. Now the date is not fixed, but we'll have it soon.
At earlier stages after joining MES, what will be our responsibilities? So, Shubham, there are a lot of responsibilities for the first years as well. So, first thing that you guys will do that we second years did was organize the farewell for the fourth years, and then you have to organize the teachers day as well. So, the responsibilities, not major tasks. You will not be given major tasks in the beginning, but yeah, you will be given some responsibilities from the starting as well.
So I guess they don't have much doubt, so we can end the meeting. Can we do that? If you have any doubt, you can even now unmute yourself and ask. Else we will end the session.
I think they don't have any doubts. Let's end it. Okay. Okay, they have.
Yes, we'll inform you about the inductions. Sure.
And
And
only certain
only 5 number of students are inducted from each year. Any more doubts? Feel free to ask anything.
Sir, what is
Uh,
this CV shortlisting?
you're answering, Deepu.
Yeah, so CV shortlisting is like कि you will be preparing a CV जहाँ पर you will talk मतलब will ask some sort of questions in the CV. You'll have to mention details about your background, about your achievements, about your strengths and all. And we will be shortlisting you all guys on that basis. So all the details you'll get to know about that. But basically, it will be shortlisting you people on the basis of your CVs. We'll tell you what information you need to add in your CVs. So you'll do that and you'll send it to us and we will filter out on the basis of your answers and whatever you have written. Chalo fir, we can end it. So the meeting is ended. You all can leave. कुछ बोल रहा था कोई?
हो गया दीपू, एंड कर दे। नहीं